Today we're in Lithuania and we're going to see if we can buy breakfast, lunch and dinner with only 10 euros. Let's see if we can do it.
We're Scott and Sinead, and these are our Wanderlust adventures.
The rule's pretty simple. No hotel breakfasts. We're going to try and not go to the same place twice because we want to try and make it more, so we're getting out there and making it more challengeable. Also, we can't cook it. We're not going to cook at the hotel. Even though we do have facilities at the hotel to cook, we're not going to do that. And also, no excuses. We have to eat breakfast, lunch and dinner, so we have to buy something for all three. I'm going to get a pretzel for my first breakfast. Only 44 cents, how good is that? So my second item, I'm going to get just a normal pink lady apple. So I found a pretzel and an apple, trying to keep it a little bit healthy. The apple was only 20 cents, I'm pretty sure, and the pretzel was 44 cents. Actually, no, the apple must have been more.
Yeah.
Yeah, normally they're 20 cents, so he might have charged me a little bit more. So I'll check the receipt in a minute, but yeah, I thought I'd keep it pretty easy. Surprisingly, the pretzels here are probably just as good as the ones in Germany. I don't know why, they're just like nice and salty, they're like nice and fluffy, where other places we've had them, like not Germany, they've been like really hard and like just like it's like they've been sitting around for like a couple of days, but these are made fresh every single day. Like it's so nice.
So I've already run into a bit of a problem in this challenge. I had planned to get for lunch these little, they're kind of like a pasty, but they're Lithuanian, and we actually tried them last night in the vlog we made about the Lithuanian food. And they were only like €1.20 or €1.30 each, and they were quite big, so I was like, that's going to make the perfect lunch. But when Scott went into Lidl this morning to get his apple and pretzel, I noticed that they're completely sold out already today. And that was going to be my lunch plan, so now I have to reevaluate everything I had planned. I did decide to run in there and get a pastry, which I originally wasn't going to do because you can't go back to the same place twice as one of our rules. But now I know I'm definitely not getting lunch from there. It was easy to get the cheap pastry, but now I've got to figure out lunch. These are really good. I usually get these for breakfast quite often anyway, but they've got quite a nice like maple syrup flavour, and then they've got some nuts on top, so it's quite nice.
Now it's time for lunch. I'm just going to go to the little never seen kiosk and see what they've got. Here's research. I've done a lot of research, so I think I know where I'm going. Although we did hit one snag this morning with Sinead's food, so we'll see if the food's there or not. There's actually a heap of these out throughout town, so I thought this would be a good choice. So I got a ham and cheese roll, just like a baguette. That was $3.55, so win. I spent $1.19 this morning and $3.55 then, so I got $5.26 left, and I know exactly how I'm going to spend it.
So I'm going to head into Rimi and try and find some lunch here. I did do some research and seen that they sell hot pizzas for €3.99, so that's what I'm hoping to get. €5.45 left now for dinner, and I too know exactly how I'm going to spend it. They've even got little tables and chairs, which is awesome, but I still can't believe a whole pizza for $3.99.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm super jealous of her. So I've got my $5.25 here, and Sinead's got her $5.45. So how is your supermarket pizza?
So good, it's got pesto on it.
Oh really? You like pesto? Not bad.
How's your supermarket sandwich?
It's alright, it's pretty basic, but pretty much exactly how you would describe, I don't know. Probably exactly how it is.
Do you want a piece of this?
Yeah, I might try a bit of that, eh?
That was so good. I'm so glad I found this. We're actually going to an activity now, and coincidentally we walked straight past our hotel. So I'm gonna go and take my leftovers back, and then I've got leftover snacks for later if I want. But I really don't think I'm gonna need it with what I've got planned for dinner.
I just thought I would show you guys our hotel as well. This one was a bargain. It had a full kitchenette, full private bathroom, and a laundry downstairs as well, which was completely free to use. This was €40 a night, and we've paid that much just to do washing in other parts of Europe.
Also, if you're looking for some free or cheap things to do in Lithuania, it is quite a good country for free activity.
Behind us is the castle tower of Vilnius, and if you walk up here you can get the most beautiful views over the city. There's also so many other free activities in the city, like checking out the Republic of Usapis. You can walk over to the Literary Art Street to take a look around. It's an art installation that's been designed to commemorate the local artists. There's also free entry into the Cathedral of Lithuania in the town square, and free entry into the Church of St. Anne, which has got the most beautiful stained glass windows. It's also free to visit the Gates of Dawn and the internal chapel, which houses the sacred icon of the Virgin Mary. You can climb the historic bell tower in the town square for only €6 to go all the way to the top, or you can explore the cathedral's underground crypts for only €10. Also, if you're visiting on the last Sunday of the month, it's free to visit the Palace of the Grand Dukes of Lithuania and the Gediminas Castle Tower, along with all of the other museums in Vilnius.
So it's that time again, it's dinner time. So I've got a little restaurant in mind that's apparently it's a 24-hour restaurant. So we head there now and I'll see what they got. Come to a little place called Jamie. It's a 24-hour fast food joint in Lithuania. So I'm going to get the kebab for dinner. So I had €5.25 left, and this is €5 exactly. Look at the size of that, €5. That's pretty good, that'll fill me up a bit. This one's basically like a normal kebab. You got your kebab meat and that, but it's got cabbage filling, which is a little bit different. I haven't had that before, but it's really good.
Pretty good choice for €5.
Last bite.
So I have €5.45 left for dinner, and since it's our last night in the Baltics, I have decided to get my favourite food that I've found here so far. So we're off to KFC because they do a vegetarian burger, and I think this is our last stop where I can get it. So I'm very, very keen. I've researched it and it's €4.55. So fingers crossed that's the actual price, and fingers crossed it's in stock because twice today I've been out of stock for things.
We just walked past. Oh.
This is where the hard part of the challenge really kicks in, because we've tried to go to a chimney cake shop twice in Latvia and it was closed both times. This time, we would definitely go there right now if we went on a challenge. It's even cheaper. How good's that? So I got the KFC vegetarian burger. This is the best thing ever. So it's got like little veggie patties on there and then lettuce and the sauce. This has been that good that I'm going to email Australian KFC and ask them to pretty please put this on the menu because this is amazing. I'm going to miss you, most of all.
Well, that's breakfast, lunch and dinner done. I think we've done awesome, but we got one little thing we're going to try to find out.
So these are really good. They're only 39 cents and they're like a cream cheese and chocolate. So I'm definitely going to get one of them.
That'll be it. got 25 cents left and these are only 19 cents, so I'm gonna get one of these.
Me too. As you might have noticed, I've got €1.50 left and I'm gonna grab one of them and then the two little chocolate curd things.
So these little ice creams we got from the little supermarket are only 19 cents, euro, which is awesome.
So good.
So like, that's gonna finish off tonight awesomely.
Apparently these have been around since the Soviet times. Look at it.
They look good.
It's like a really nice vanilla. Win for me.
Well, I hope this little food challenge helped you guys to get basically an idea of what you can do on a budget when you're traveling. So we're going to leave it there and we'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe.